Hey guys, what are we doing?
Today we are going to make hot chocolate.
I actually learned today that there's a difference between hot chocolate and hot cocoa. One is richer.
Our channel name's Hotness Day Ever. Subscribe to our channel and give a big thumbs up. And if you guys are doing this, I suggest you try not to eat
Snack on it like we've been doing.
the marshmallows like we've been doing.
So today we're gonna do s'mores hot chocolate, and we're gonna do an iced hot chocolate. We'll see how that works out. We already made the chocolate ice cubes. Check it out.
Okay guys, now we are going to put the ice cube trays into the
Bathroom.
Okay guys, now we are going to put the ice cube trays into the freezer.
All right. Comment down below if you think I'm gonna have to clean this up off the floor.
Wow, that's pretty.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7 of these. And the pack only comes with
Come on, ma'am.
6. But we have 1 extra one,
Oh, cool.
which we have been snacking. So now we only still have 6.
Daddy got the reduced fat ones. Let's see what the reduced fat tastes like.
Not good.
It's less flavor. Not that good. So we got the Starbucks hot cocoa, the double chocolate. So let's see, 1 envelope.
And my milk. Oh, that hurt.
I'm gonna do hot water first.
You want to tell everybody about what you lost this week, so? What did you lose this week? Oh. Why don't you put a marshmallow in its place?
Okay.
You get one? So I did a little bit of warm water. Never done this before. Let's see how it turns out. Good? Oh, look at the chocolate ice cubes.
Oh, wow.
Go ahead, put some in.
That's so cool.
It's lighter at the, and guys, it's okay if there's lighter at the top and darker at the bottom. Should we give up one?
Here,
Okay.
put one in. Go ahead. Oh, good job.
That's just wet.
Here.
I'm not try it.
You could try it.
You gonna give him a straw?
Oh, the little hair. Did you like it?
Can I put a few marshmallows in it?
Mm-hmm.
That's mine.
Do you guys want a chocolate ice cube?
Yeah! Yeah! I'm gonna have one.
Here, put yours in. There you go.
I'm gonna have one.
All right, here, now drink it.
Is it good, Riz?
Yeah.
Rip, can you do your eyes? No. Let me see, Riz.
Drink it.
All right, ready, people? Look. Smash it.
Do it, Riz.
How's that not pretty good? You did. Ow.
All right.
That's gonna hurt. It's huge. You copy.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, the hand hurts.
Watch. Don't anyone put your hands in here.
You do it.
Yeah.
Go down the toilet.
Oh.
This will be fun to clean. It said to use.
Oh, to get it what? Like
Sticky? For
Or
the.
what- Oh, for the graham crackers. Oh, that's
I think you
interesting.
just get the whole thing wet.
No, because I guess I don't stick.
Yeah.
This is like a glue. Let's see.
It's breaking a little bit. Wow, that's really nice.
Wow. I have a better idea.
That's a better idea.
I have a better idea.
That's a better idea.
I have a better idea.
That's a better idea.
We're just gonna sprinkle that on top.
Yeah. What do you think? Oh, whoa.
Cool.
Are you excited? How excited are you? Time to make it?
Time to make the donuts.
So how did this smell? Good? Alright, now what? Marshmallows?
Marshmallows. This might be a total fail.
Or it might be not.
We'll see.
What do you think, Zoe? Is it gonna be good or not good?
We're not sure. So sideways. They should do that on videos. Sideways, upwards, or downward.
Hey guys, give us a
Side.
big thumb sideways. All right, don't touch it because I want it like fluffy.
Wow, they hit the lens.
Yep. All right. Which one? All right.
Guys, eat some.
So this was supposed to go around the rim,
But it
but it didn't really work out the way I thought it was going to.
Guys,
So I'm
eat
gonna
it.
try it this way.
Get back here.
So it's probably just gonna be soggy crackers and hot chocolate.
Let's see. Looks good though.
All right.
Ooh, that looks good. You get like all of it.
The professional chef.
Yeah. No formal training. Just an innate talent.
Is it delicious?
Guys at home, you want to try some?
Ooh, look at that.
What is it? Oh wow.
Here, let me.
It looks like something you would pay $9 for at Cheesecake Factory.
You know what? It tastes like s'more.
Oh, does
Was
it?
that?
It tastes really good.
Oh, me?
No, I was talking about the guy behind you. The graham cracker was supposed to be around the cup, like a rim. However, it just didn't work out that way, so we just sprinkled it on top. The hot chocolate is okay.
Chocolate.
I don't actually like dairy that much, so it
Chocolate.
tastes like dairy.
Chocolate.
Yeah, here. No more crumbs. There you go, it's like cereal. It's like breakfast. It's healthy. Yeah, go ahead, here. Do you want a marshmallow and chocolate? It tastes like a s'more, look. It's marshmallow and chocolate. No, 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 no.
No, I like it.
You don't like it? I'm missing out. I like the s'more part. I don't like the hot chocolate part. Do you like it? The hot chocolate? You don't like it.
I like the hot chocolate and the s'more.
Was it hot?
You don't like it? I like the marshmallow part and the graham cracker part. The marshmallows in the broiler, it's just like going outside without the campfire smelling your hair. That's the best part, I think. Right?
Hot.
I give the marshmallows 2 thumbs up. The graham crackers are good in there.
What about you, Zoe?
I'm gonna give the marshmallows 4 thumbs ups, including the toes.
Girlfriend, you need nail polish. I would make this again in the interest of time. I would do the instant hot chocolate.